Hey there, all my friends. I am Sonja, and this is going to be a really quick video, but it's what I'm really excited about. And I wasn't going to do this as a YouTube video. I was just going to do a TikTok about it, but I decided I can do one on YouTube and I can do this on TikTok too. So this is a quick one because I saw the one product on TikTok really recently, and then the other one I've seen a ton on TikTok and on YouTube and everything, everybody talking about it for a long time, and I just haven't gotten it yet. So this is by Fenty Beauty, which Fenty Beauty is all vegan and cruelty free, which I love. And I have my little package here, and it says it was packed with care by Diana C. So Diana C, if you're watching this, thank you for packing this with care. And it's just like 2 little products. Okay, here they are, and let me put my glasses so I can tell you exactly what they are. We have the Fenty Beauty by Rihanna Gloss Bomb Universal Lip Luminizer, and I've seen everybody using this, and I've wanted to get it. I don't know why. I just don't get a lot of Fenty stuff, and I want to get more. I really do. I just got in my I think it was my FabFitFun box, mascara, and I love it, love it, love it. It's really, really good. So let's see. And then we have Fenty Beauty by Rihanna, hydrating lip stain. The color is my type. My type. So cute. So let's take them out and show you. And I think it was Michaela. I know I saw a few people do it, but then I think it was Michaela who, anything Michaela gets, I'm like, yes, Michaela likes it. But this is really cute. It's like a little like triangle package. There's only 4 colors. Maybe there's more and they were only showing 4 at the time, but there were only 4 colors. So I got the one that looked the pinkest to me because I like pinks. And then this is the Gloss Bomb, and that's right here, and it's like cute. It's like a little pentagon, and I'm really excited for this. And this color I got was Fussy with like 2 little dollar signs. It is so cute. See, that's Fussy, and this is my type. Isn't that cute? Like so cute. Okay, so let me clean off my lips here. And sorry, I don't have makeup on. I was doing other YouTube videos with skincare, and I never wear makeup when I'm wearing skincare, and I really want to do this video. So I'm kind of nervous about this lip stain. And it's like night, so this is what it looks like. It's night, so it's not like I can do like an all day, like, show you what it's like. But what I can do is I can do this, then I can wash my face, and actually I might even record one more video with it on, and then I can come back and tell you how it is after I record another video, wash my face, and we'll see. I think that's a good idea, don't you? Okay, I'm gonna take off a little excess. Let's try this. And I didn't read the instructions. I probably should have. And I have really pale lips. Like, I'm always jealous of people who have color in their lips. And that's why I like the idea of a lip stain. I mean, that's really pretty, and it's a nice pinky type color. I kind of wish it was like a little darker though, to be honest, but it's just a lip stain. I know lots of people, when they put this on, they're like, the color, like right there, is so good. And it is pretty. I don't know. I mean, like, it's not bad. I'm like, everybody's like, I just like that color just like that without wiping it off. So we'll just leave it here for a minute, and then we'll wipe it off. Like, it worked. I don't feel like it gave me as much of a stain as I saw it like give other people. But maybe that's because my lips are so pale. I don't know. What do you guys think? Should I try it again? Let's do like 2 layers of it. Let's do it twice. Let's try it again. Maybe I should be more generous with it too. Okay, I definitely got more on, and the color, I like it more like this. So I don't think I put enough on. we'll just wait. You know what I'm interested in? Will it stain like my hand? Put some there and see what happens. Rub it in slightly and like press it in. We'll leave that there and see if it leaves a red mark. It is pretty though, don't you think? I really hope this works because my lips are so pale and I don't like to wear lipstick all the time. Most of the time I don't wear makeup, but when I do, like if I'm just like tomorrow morning I have a doctor's appointment, so I'll probably put on like a tinted moisturizer and maybe like just like some bronzer, a little blush, like some mascara, maybe comb out my brows and like go. So if I could put on like a skin tint underneath my mask and like gave me a little color, that would be cool, and you don't have to have lipstick on. Okay, let's wipe it off my hand first. So it did tint my hand, didn't it? And that's like staying put. I mean, if I keep rubbing it, it's still there. Okay, I'm gonna use this instead. Okay, I like that a lot better. Okay, that's cool. That I like, don't you? I think it looks pretty. Like I actually have color in my lips for once. So, and look, it doesn't like come off anywhere. So that's really good. So I really like that. But I thought the reason why I got the gloss, because I've been wanting to try this gloss anyways, and then I thought, well, if your lips are nicely tinted and then you want to just put on a gloss on top, that'll look nice and pretty. So this is what the gloss looks like on my hand. It's this one. That's the tint. This is the gloss. Oh, I like it so much. This is so cool. Don't you think? Okay, so I'm gonna record one more video and then I'm gonna wash my face and then I'll come back and we'll see how the skin tint's doing after I wash my face. But I think this is like for sure gonna be like one of my go-tos. Like I am really excited. And the balm gloss, or the gloss balm, is cool too, and actually has like a flavor to it. I don't know if it's intentional to, but I can taste like some form of a flavor. So this is good. I like them. So all right, let me go do this and I'll be back. Okay, hey, I am back. I did like this whole video. I did some stuff with my kids. I washed my face and I came back and I actually think this stayed really well. I even washed my face everywhere and it's still there. I'm gonna put some of the gloss back on, but I'll be interested to see like how a whole wear test goes of a whole day. But I love this and I give it a big thumbs up. So I think you should do the same and give me a big thumbs up. If you liked this video, or even if you didn't, please give me a thumbs up. I'm small and all the love really helps me. If you want to follow me in my journey of finding all new vegan and cruelty-free skincare, makeup, and everything else I can find, go ahead and subscribe. And you can also click the little bell button so that way you will be notified whenever I release new videos. And I want to thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye!